Happy Monday to you from the floor of the CME here in Chicago. I'm Oliver Sloup with iiTrader and your grain market update. Unfortunately, it's not a good one here to start the week. It is a Monday. We do have a lot of traders anticipating and maybe tightening up positions ahead of tomorrow's important USDA report. But let's look at some fundamental and technical factors going into that. First, I want to start off by looking at the corn market. Some of the levels we're looking at, 357 to 360 is going to be major resistance. That was previous support going back really the past couple of months, back to November. On the flip side of that, we have 346 and 3/4. That was the low back in June. And if you recall, just a month after we made that low, corn actually rallied over $1. Obviously, a little bit different fundamentals coming into play, but we do have a USDA report tomorrow that could spark a potential rally. And we know that funds are net short. We had the commitment of traders report out last Friday, or this past Friday, and it showed funds adding to their net short position. And in order for them to profit on that, they're going to have to buy back those positions. So I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bullish number to see some massive short covering and a rally underway. But that 346 and 3/4 is going to be very pivotal that we hold that. On the soybean market, soybean is actually catching a little bit of a support here this morning. I think a lot of that is on weather concerns in South America, in particular Brazil. We have some analysts lowering their estimated production totals for Brazil, and I think that's offering some sort of support in the market. Some key technicals we're looking at, 873 on the top side. If we get above that, we could see 882 in the near future. The 882 level comes in, that's the 50% retracement from the October highs to the November low. So that's going to be a number to keep an eye on. But until we get above that 873, I expect us to trade in the range 852, 873, with the meat in the middle really being 862 to play off of. The wheat market, a little bit different. 479 on a closing basis is going to be very, very key going forward. If we get above that, I think there's another 10 cents of upside. Last week, we talked about the wheat market being equivalent to holding a ball underwater. We were expecting a pop. We got that pop. Now, a pullback is welcomed, and I think if we can make higher lows, this is a good buying opportunity to look for higher highs in the near future. Obviously, tomorrow's USDA report will have an impact on that, but those are some of the things we're looking at in the grain market. That's what you should be looking at too. This has been Oliver Sloup with iiTrader from the floor of the CME.